Welcome to the Factory Help channel. Compressor Anti-Surge Valve. Compressor Anti-Surge Valve from Factory Help delivers precise control and exceptionally fast stroke speeds in a simple, easy-to-use, easy-to-tune, and easy-to-maintain system. Together, the revolutionary jet flow relay and integrated high-speed positioner eliminate the conflict between control and stroke speeds. Operators can quickly and precisely open and close the valve to meet recycle needs and achieve maximum productivity. The jet flow system rapidly strokes large actuators. It can open the valve in as little as 1 second, ensuring safe compressor shutdown in the event of a catastrophic plant failure. Setup is fast and easy. With a simple one-button calibration, there's no need to tune or balance individual boosters and pneumatic components. Maintenance is simple. Plant technicians can tune, replace components, or repair the valve without relying on factory experts, lowering operating costs and decreasing shutdown turn times. A new high-capacity valve body is designed for maximum capacity and advanced noise control. Advanced control valve trims minimize noise and vibration, reducing system wear, damage, and downtime. Long stroke lengths and large masses in fast-stroking systems can create high-impact energies. Actuator snubbers slow the actuator's stroke speed as it approaches the end stops to prevent impact damage. With the compressor anti-surge valve, you'll protect critical compressors from failure, reduce downtime, maximize plant productivity, and simplify maintenance. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us, become an expert in industrial solutions.